Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Commerce Higher Secondary Second Year, Part 5 Management. The topic is Management Process. Okay, so we're going to study about Management Process. This is already studied like management process in the precise definition. The substance of management should be identified as a process. Anything is done in the management is called as a any process is done in the management is called as a process of management. Okay, suppose for example like some person some or other person will be assigned some individual duties and responsibilities, like a manager, financial manager has to, for example, financial manager has to look after the finance, sales manager, like you have to look after all the sales, and he is responsible for the higher authority for if anything sales related. This higher authority is going to ask from whom? Sales manager. In the same way financial manager. So different sectors they are assigning some work, they are going to assign the responsibilities and work by the higher authorities. Okay, this is called as a management process. So this sales manager will be giving the work to the people who are under him. Okay, so that is called as a management process. The process of giving the work, the process of assigning the responsibilities from one person to the another person is called as a management process. Okay, it is ongoing, every time they'll work. So it, I say precise definition, we have a three type. It will be always continuous, it's like a cycle. So the three base, that is planning, action and control. Planning, then action, then control, then again planning, action, control. Okay, it will be always dynamic, it's always continuously it will be. Okay, and the next one is there are two process you have, that is maximum productivity or profitability and maximum human welfare and satisfaction. They are based on two process, maximum productivity or profitability. So maximum they'll produce it for, or for the profitability they'll work. Second one, they'll work for the society and they'll get the satisfaction. These two things are mainly based. Okay, so we have to survive, and also even we have to serve the society. This two concept in simple. So management process we have, under that we have headings. First one, management is coordination. What is coordination? Coordinating with something. For example, if I say management only, if I put a men's, okay, if I put only mission, no. If I put only material, if I have only the money, I need everything, right? So all the four M's are important. That is, I need men, that is men is into staff. Okay, I need a missions, I need a materials, I need a money. All four M are important. I have to coordinate all the four together. So not all four together, or like men and mission will work. Okay, so materials needed for the missions. Okay, this is how the coordination is done. Money is needed for everything. So there is a coordination, that is called as management is coordination. Next one, management is a process. Obviously it's a process, like it will be like without planning there is, you can't function it. Planning is important. After planning we have to organizing. Who is going to organize this stuff? Who is next directing or motivating or leading we call. Okay, and controlling it. All these five are important for the managerial function, and this will be learning individually in our next classes. Okay, so managerial functions. So this management is a process. Process means it will be continuous. Okay, management is a purposive process. Purpose means why you are working, why the management is. The main thing is simple in term, we are going to achieve the objectives and goals. Okay, that is our purposive process. Okay, so for goals you are going to for the goals you are going to work out all this. That is the main purpose of the management. And next one, management is a social process. Obviously we are going to work, like the first beginning itself we have said that management is a thing which you are going to get through others, from others. That is called as a social process. Okay, management is cyclic process. So already said it's a cyclic process, like plan, action, control. Again plan, action, control. Suppose if it doesn't work out, again replan, reaction and control. Replan, action and control. So that is called as a management is a cyclic process. And this is what the cyclic process. First we are going to plan out. Okay, then we are going to organize it, we are going to staff, we are to direct, we are going to control. Again same thing, it's like a cycle. Okay, and this was introduced by Henry Fayol. Okay, so he gave the process of management. This is the 5 terms he gave you. Okay, so who is introduced the process of management? Is the modern management, is the father of modern management. You're going to get this question, okay, like as a multiple choice question, anything, but just try to remember it. Who is the father of modern management? Is a Henry Fayol. Okay, we are going to study about this later on, like what are the principles he gave you. And the next one, this is what the process of management, the exact process of management. If you understand this everything works out. So first, input. For every input you'll get an output, right? Input, what are the input you're putting? Men and women, that is generally like staff, machinery, material, money and resources. You are doing, this is not in, this is called as a input, basic resources. And later you're going to plan out, you're going to organize it, you're going to direct, and you're going to control. This four process will be together in order to achieve what? In order to achieve your goal. This is your end process. So like example, I can say, if I'm producing one good by using all this, okay, if I'm producing some goods, or if I'm running some I'm deal with some producing accessories items, okay. So first I'll implement all this, I'm going to plan out, I'm going to organize it, I'm going to direct, I'm going to control. Finally my it will be what? I'm going to get all the accessories produced, okay. That is my goal. So this is what the process of management. If you do understand this, you can write the entire thing by using this diagram, okay. This is what the process of management. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and bye bye.